So hello everyone, my name is Tejas and welcome back to my channel Self-Study Tejas. And if you are passionate about mathematics and aiming to excel in the IMO exam, then you are in the right place. So today we are going to learn IMO chapter 10 Mensuration. So let's start.
So chapter number 10 Mensuration, Mathematical Reasoning, question number 1. If the area of a rectangle is equal to the area of square and length of the rectangle is equal to the perimeter of the square, then the breadth of rectangle is dash. So first of all we will write here area of rectangle is equal to area of square, and now they have said that length of the rectangle is equal to perimeter of the square. So first we will write here the formula. Length into breadth is equal to, and here side into side, and now they have said that the length of the rectangle is equal to perimeter of the square. So length of rectangle is equal to perimeter of square. So length of rectangle, which means L, and now the perimeter of the square is equal to 4 into side, and now after that we will put the values. So 4 into side, and now we have to find out the breadth is equal to side into side. So this side and this side will be cut here, which means left will be B is equal to side divided by 4, because here it was in multiply and then it will go here and go in divide, which means our correct answer here will be option number C. So second question, find the area of the shaded figure taking the area of each square as 1 centimeter square. So first we will count the full square. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are total 8 full squares, and now 9, and this is 10. So now we have to count the more than half ones. So here it is 11 and here it is 12. This is less than half, so we will not count this one, which means our correct answer here will be option number C, 12 centimeter square. Now third question, if the area of rectangle is 16 meters square, then which of the following may not be the possible dimensions of the rectangle? A, length is equal to 8 meter, breadth is equal to 2 meter. So 8 2 is 16. So this is possible here. Now option number B, length is equal to 16, breadth is equal to 1. So 16 1 is 16. So this is also possible. Now C, length is equal to 32 meter, breadth is equal to half. So 32's half is 16. So this is also possible. Now D, length is equal to 8.5 meter and breadth is equal to 2. So 8.5 into 2 is equal to 17 meter, not 16 meter, which means option number D is not possible. Now fourth question, find the area of the given figure. So first we will divide it into parts like this. So now first here we can see that it is 6 centimeter and its breadth is 3 centimeter. So 6 3 will be 18. So we'll write here 18. Now after that here it is 3 centimeter. And now after that its breadth is 1.5 centimeter. So 3 into 1.5 will be, so 15 3 is 45, which means 4.5. So 4.5, and now this small one. So here the length is 2 centimeter, and now here the breadth is 1.5. So 15 2 is 30, which means 3.0. So if we add this, so 4 plus 3 will be 7, 7 plus 7 14, and 15, which means 25.5 centimeter square. So our correct answer here will be option number A. Now fifth question, a rectangular sheet measures 43.15 meter by 30.72 meter. Which of the following is the best estimate for its perimeter? So now first we have to add them, and now the answer we will get, we have to multiply it by 2. So 43.15 15. 43.15, and now here it is 30.72. 30.72. So 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 1 is 8, 3 plus 0 is 3, 4 plus 3 is 7, which means 73.87. And now we have to multiply it by 2. So 7 2 is 14, 1 4, 8 2 is 16 plus 1 17. So here 1 will come, 3 2 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. Now 7 2 is 14, which means 147.74, and they have asked for the estimate, which means 148 meters. So correct answer here will be option number B. Now sixth question, a square and a rectangle have equal areas. If each side of the square is 18 centimeter and the width of the rectangle is 12 centimeter, then find the perimeter of the rectangle. So now we will solve this question line wise. So in the first line it is written, a square and a rectangle have equal areas. So first we will write that only. Area of rectangle is equal to area of square. And in the next line it is written, if each side of the square is 18 centimeter and the width of the rectangle is 12 centimeter. So first we will write the formulas here. So length into breadth, and now area of square, side into side. And now the line is, if each side of the rectangle of the square is 18 centimeter and the width of the rectangle is 12 centimeter. So which means we have to this square is 18 centimeter, side is equal to 18 centimeter, and its width is, which means breadth, is equal to 12 centimeters. So now we will put the values. So length into 12, and now here we will write so first we will write here the is equal to sign, and now here it will be 18 into 18. So now which means it will be 18 into 18 divided by 12. So 3 4 is 12, and now here 3 6 is 18. So now here it will be 2 3 is 6 and 2 2 is 4. So now 2 1 is 2, and now here it will become 9. So 9 3 is 27, which means the length of the rectangle is 27. And now we have to find here the perimeter of the rectangle, and the the breadth is given 12, which means first we will do 27 plus 12, which is 39, and now 39 multiplied by 2. So 9 2 is 18, 3 2 is 6 plus 1 7, which means 78, which means the correct answer here will be option number D. So seventh question, find the perimeter of the given figure. So first we will find out the perimeter of this two big squares. So this is 10 10 10 10, which means this is 40, and now 10 10 10 10, which means this is also 40. So 40 plus 40 will be here 80, and now we have to subtract this small rectangle here. So this is here 8, which means the length of this rectangle is 2 centimeter, and now its breadth is 1.5 centimeter. So 2 plus 1.5 will be 3.5, and now we have to calculate full, which means this will be also 3.5. So 3.5 plus 3.5 will be 7 centimeter, and now 80 minus 7 centimeter will be 73 centimeter. So correct answer here will be option number D. Now 8th question, a thin wire 48 centimeter long is bent to form a rectangle. The breadth of the rectangle is 1/3 of its length. What is the area of the rectangle? So we know we will first solve it line wise. So first they have said that the length of the wire is 48 centimeter long, which means its perimeter is 48 centimeter. So perimeter is equal to 48 centimeter. And now in the next line it is said the breadth of the rectangle is 1/3 its length. So breadth is equal to 1 by 3 length. So now we have to don't make it complicated. So we will cut this fraction, and now length is equal to 3 breadth. And now after that we have to first calculate the perimeter of the rectangle. So perimeter of rectangle. So we know that perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 length breadth plus breadth. So now we can put the values here, which means here we have calculated the value of length, which is 3b. So 2 3b plus b. So this 3b plus b, which means 4b. So 2 in bracket 4b, and now we know that 48 centimeter is equal to 8b. So now to calculate the breadth, we will divide 48 by 8. So breadth is equal to 48 divided by 8, which is equal to 6 centimeter. And now we have to calculate the length also. And now we have said here that the length is equal to 3 breadth. So length is equal to 6 into 3, which is 18 centimeter. And now we have to calculate the area, which is equal to length into breadth. So length into breadth, which is equal to 18 6 ja, which is 108 centimeter square, which means our correct answer here will be option number D. So ninth question, the given figure is made up of a rectangle and an equilateral triangle. The width of the rectangle is half the length of the rectangle. Find the perimeter of the figure. So they have said that the width of the rectangle is half of the length of the rectangle. So which means here it is 14 centimeter. So here it will be 7 centimeter, and here it is also 14 centimeter. So now we can start to calculate it. So this side and this side is same. So 14 plus 14 28, and now here also it is 14, which means 42. And now this both side it is 7. So 7 2 is 14, and 42 plus 14 will be 56, which means our correct answer here will be option number B, 56 centimeter. Now 10th question, the length of the given rectangular field is decreased by 7 meter. Find its new width if its area remains unchanged. So first we will calculate the area of this field. So area of rectangle, which is equal to, we know that, length into breadth. So here the length and breadth is 56 into 42. So now we will solve it. 56 and 42. So 6 2 is first of all here 12. Now 5 2 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. 1 1 2. Now we will give here 1 0. Now 6 4 is 24. Now 5 4 is 20 plus 2 22. So 2 2. Now this 2 plus 0 2. 4 plus 1 5. 2 plus 1 3. And now here 2, which means 2352. And now they have said the length of the field is decreased by 7 meter. So which means length is equal to 56 minus 7, which is equal to 49 meter. And now we have to what will be the new width if its area remains unchanged, which means now we have to again calculate the area. So area of rectangle is equal to, so we know that the formula is length into breadth, and area of rectangle is 2352, and it is equal to we know the length, which is 49, into we have to calculate now, which is breadth. So and now after that, if we have to calculate the breadth, we need to divide 2352 by 49. So 2352 by 49. So we will divide it here. 2352 49. So first of all, it will go by 4, which will give us 196. So this 5 will here become 15. 15 minus 6 will be 9. This 3 will become 2. 2 will become 12. 12 minus 9 will be 3. And now after that, this 2 here will become 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. And now this is 392. So 49 multiplied by 8 is 392. So 392 minus 392 will give us 0, which means 48. So the width is equal to 48 centimeter. So our correct answer here will be 48 meter, not centimeter. So the correct answer here will be option number A. Now 11th question. If side of a square is doubled, then the new perimeter is dash times the original perimeter. So if we consider one square which is 4 into 4, so it is 16, and now it will if it is 8 by 8, so 8 8 is 64, and 16 and 64, so 16 4 is 64, which means it is 4 times than the original perimeter, which means our correct answer here will be option number D. Now 12th question. The area of a rectangular park is 3100 meter square and its breadth is 50 meter. The value of 4 times its perimeter is. So here also we will go line wise. So first here it is written area of the rectangular park is 3100 meter square. So area of park is equal to 3100 meter square, and now they have given the breadth which is 50 meter. So breadth is equal to 50 meter, and now we have to calculate 4 times its perimeter. So for that we need to first calculate its length. So length is equal to area divided by breadth, so which is 3100 divided by 50. So I'll cut this 2 zeros. Now 5 1 ja 5, 5 6 ja 30, and now it will be left. So now it will go with 2, which means 62, which means its length is 62. And now we have to calculate its perimeter. So perimeter is equal to 62 plus 50, and here into 2. So first it will be 112, and now we have to calculate its perimeter, which will be 112 into 2, which is 224 meter. And now we have to calculate its 4 times. So 224 multiplied by 4. So 4 4 is 16, 4 2 is 8 plus 1 9, 4 2 is 8, which means 896 meter. So correct answer here will be option number D. Now 13th question. The shaded area of the floor is to be tiled. If tiling costs rupees 15 per meter square, then what will be the total cost? So first of all we will calculate all the area here. So its length is 30 meter and breadth is 24 meter. So area is equal to 30 into 24. So we will multiply here. So 24, sorry, we can do it like this, which is 72, which is 720 meter square. And now after that we will subtract the small rectangles given here. So this is 6 by 7. So 6 7 is 42. We will do it here. 42, and now this small 6 8 is 6 8 will be 6 8 48. So 8 plus 2 will be here 10. Now 4 plus 4 here 8 plus 1 9, which means 90. So we will subtract here 90 meter square from it. So 0 0 will be as it is. This 2 will become 12. 12 minus 9 will be 3. And now this will become here 6, which means 630 meter square. And now they have to tile this much floor, and the tiling costs 15 rupees per meter square. So 630 multiplied by, we have to do 15. So 630 multiplied by 15. So 5 0 ja 0, and after that 5 3 ja is 15. Now 6 5 ja is 30 plus 1 31. So 3150 10, and here again, and then 63 as it is. So 0 5 plus 0 5, 3 plus 1 4, 6 plus 3 9, which means 9450 rupees. So our correct answer here will be option number D. Now 14th question, if the area of a square is numerically equal to the perimeter of the square, then the side of square is dash. So we know that, so we have to calculate it. So if we take a square like this, and now its area is equal to its perimeter, so it will be number like 4, because 4 into 4 is also 16, and 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 is also 16, which means our correct answer here will be option number C, 4 units. Now 15th question, a figure is formed by putting two squares on one the other as shown in the given figure. If the length of each side of the two squares is 8 centimeter, then the perimeter of the figure formed is. So each side is 8 centimeter here, and the total sides are 1 2 3 4 5 6. 8 6 is 48, which means our correct answer here will be option number D. So everyday mathematics question number 16. 80 students of same height stand with both hands stretched all along the sides of a rectangular garden, each student covering a length of 1.75 meter. Then the perimeter of the garden is dash. So to calculate it, we will simply multiply 1.75 meter by 80. So we will cut this decimal and do this. So 175 multiplied by 80. So now it will become 175 by 8. So 5 8 ja 40. Now 8 7 ja is 56. 56 plus 4 will be 60. 6 and here 0. Now 8 1 ja is 8. 8 plus 6 is 14, which means 1400. And now we have cut here 0. So this is 14,000. And now here the decimal was before 2 digits, so here will be also the same, which means 140 meter. So our correct answer here will be option number B. Now 17th question, the length of the wooden strip required to frame a photograph having length and breadth as 39.5 centimeter and 31 centimeter respectively is dash. So first we will calculate the perimeter of this photograph. So 39.5 and 31. 39.5, 31.0. So this 5 will be as it is, 0 1, which means 70.5. And now we have to multiply it by 2. Now this 2 0 is 0 plus 1 1, and 7 2 is 14, which means 141 centimeter. So our correct answer here will be option number C. Now 18th question, the rectangular piece of land measures 2 meter by 3 meter. Each side is to be fenced with 3 rows of wire. What is the length of wire needed? So first it is 2 plus 3 is 5, and now after that 5 2 ja is 10, and now there are 3 rows of the wire, which means 10 3 ja, which is 30 meter. So correct answer here will be option number C. Now 19th question, find the number of envelopes that can be made of a sheet of paper 384 cm by 168 cm. If each envelope requires a piece of paper of size 16 cm by 12 cm. So we have to calculate how much envelopes can be made. So 384 by 168, 384 by 168 divided by, here it is 16 by 12. So now we will divide them. So first 384 by 16. So 384 and now 16. So 16 2 is 32, and now this will 6 and 4. So 16 4 is 64, and if we subtract it we will get here 0. And now 168 and 12. So we will do here 168 and 12. So first 12 1 ja 12, and if we subtract it 48. So 12 4 ja is 48. 48 minus 48 will be 0, which means 24 and 14. And now we have to multiply both of these values. So we will do it here, 24 into 14. So 4 4 ja is 16. Now after that 4 2 ja is plus 1 9 0. Now 4 1 ja 4, and now 2 1 ja 2. So 6 plus 0 6. 9 plus 4 will be 3 1, which means 336. So which means 336 envelopes can be made up of a sheet of paper 384 centimeter by 168 centimeter.
So if you liked our video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.